Duggar sisters, in talks to settle, lawsuit with police over leaked report. The Duggar sisters are, in talks to settle, a lawsuit with police over allegations involving their brother Josh. Jessa, Jill, Ginger and Joy-Anna are chatting with authorities over a leaked police report claiming their disgraced brother molested minors in the family home. The order sets out what is expected from the day. The purpose of the settlement conference is to precipitate settlement of this case, if that is appropriate. It will be conducted in such a manner as to not prejudice any party in the event settlement is not reached, that all matters communicated to the undersigned judge will not be disclosed to the trial judge. The undersigned, of course, will not serve as trial judge in this case. How it began. In 2015, a 33-page Arkansas police report was released to the public, claiming Dad Jim Bob confessed to local authorities that his eldest son Josh fondled the breasts and genitals of young girls while they were asleep in the Duggar family home years prior. Josh's younger sisters Jill, 30, and Jessa, 29, came forward as two of the alleged victims in an interview with Megyn Kelly, where they insisted they had forgiven Josh, who was never charged, for his wrongdoings. In May 2017, Jill and Jessa sued the city of Springdale, police department employees and other defendants for invasion of privacy and more, claiming releasing the records caused extreme mental anguish and emotional distress. Sisters Ginger, 27, and Joy-Anna, 24, are also suing, though they have not publicly come forward as victims of the alleged molestation. One source close to the family told The Sun that Josh's conviction on child pornography charges could impact the outcome in the sisters' case. The source said, they've been allowed to proceed on their case against the police department and a couple of police officers. That was supposed to go to trial the same week as Josh's trial, but it got reset. If there is a trial, the damages could be cut as a consequence of Josh's conviction. Declared guilty on December 9, Josh was found guilty on child pornography charges, ending an explosive 2-week trial. The eldest Duggar son was taken into custody immediately after the verdict came in, and is expected to remain in jail until his sentencing in 2022. The son obtained video showing Josh being led into a booking area by an officer. He was handcuffed with his hands behind his back. Josh was first arrested in April, more than a year after Homeland Security raided his Arkansas car dealership. He was charged with possessing and receiving child pornography. Counted Out TLC canceled 19 Kids and Counting after it was revealed in 2015 that Josh had molested several girls as a teen. Counting On premiered in the wake of the family show's cancellation, but Josh did not appear on the show. The spin-off show has since been cancelled due to the family's latest scandal. Since the verdict came down, several of Josh's siblings have spoken out against him. His parents, Jim Bob and Michelle, who are named in the Duggar daughters' lawsuit for their knowledge of Josh's alleged sex abuse, released a statement last week addressing the guilty verdict. It read, "This entire ordeal has been very grievous. Today, God's grace, through the love and prayers of so many, has sustained us. Our hearts and prayers are with anyone who has ever been harmed through CSAM. Never stop loving Josh." The statement went on, "In the days ahead, we will do all we can to surround our daughter-in-law Anna and their children with love and support. As parents, we will never stop praying for Joshua, and loving him, as we do all of our children. In each of life's circumstances, we place our trust in God. He is our source of strength and refuge." The message concluded, "Thank you for your prayers.